Welcome back to the channel. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe my channel. Today we are explore how to create a business presentation visual using Smudge tool in Photoshop. I open Photoshop and load a presentation slide background. It feels too corporate and cold. I pause because emotion builds connection in business presentations. I duplicate the layer. I select the Smudge tool with very low strength. I gently soften background gradients. I move slowly, intentionally. I zoom in to blend harsh color lines. I step back and review clarity. Business visuals must remain clean. I stop when balance feels right. The slide now feels modern, human, and confident. This is how subtle smudge work elevates business communication. Thank you for watching.